Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Dodge Caravan safely. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling. Always use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle once it's lifted, as a jack is only for lifting, not for sustained support. Your owner's manual provides precise jack point locations. Finding the correct jack points is crucial for safety and preventing damage. For the front, locate the reinforced pinch welds or frame rails just behind the front wheels. In the rear, you'll typically find suitable points on the frame rails, often just ahead of the rear wheels. These areas are specifically designed to bear the vehicle's weight. Never place your jack on the suspension, exhaust, or any part of the bodywork not intended for lifting. Once your jack is correctly positioned under a designated jack point, begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Turn the jack handle or pump the hydraulic jack until the tire you're working on is about 2 to 3 inches off the ground. Next, carefully slide your jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, adjacent to the jack point. Ensure they are stable and fully engaged. Then, slowly lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, removing the jack once the weight is fully supported. Before starting any work, give the vehicle a gentle shake to confirm it's stable on the jack stands. Once your task is complete and all tools are clear, prepare to lower the vehicle. Use your jack to lift the vehicle just enough to relieve pressure from the jack stands, allowing you to safely remove them. Then, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Remove the jack and wheel chocks and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.